How to download and install LibreOffice on Windows. So if you want to download and install LibreOffice on your Windows, then what you need to do is first you need to go with your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to simply search for LibreOffice. Once you've searched, go with the first option, www.libreoffice.org, or just go with the download option, which is right here. Just click on it and it will take you to the download interface where you just need to simply go with your operating system. If you have a 64-bit operating system, you can go with it. Or if you have 32-bit, you can go with 32-bit on your Windows. Or you can also choose these options if you are comfortable with it. So I'll just simply choose 64. And once you choose that, now you need to simply click on download. Once you click on download, here on the upper right, you can simply go with the download options and you will have this unverified document, right? Just click on it and click on download unverified file and it will start the downloading process. You can also check that by going to the download and here it will start the downloading process. So wait for a few minutes till it downloads and after that you can go and install it. So that's how you can download and install the LibreOffice on your Windows, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.